Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chrysler 200 Limited, stock number E1513P. 67,000 miles on this 200, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, touchscreen display for radio. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass display, heating and air conditioning. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EP average of 23 miles to the gallon and a city average of 36 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this 200, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.